Here's the transmission dipstick for your 2014 F-150. Right there, I don't know if you can read it, but there we go. That's the dipstick, and this is where it's at. See, I'm filling up the trans fluid with a hose. I got a pump bottle, but I'm just using a hose. It's pretty easy. You go onto the passenger side of the vehicle. We'll crawl up here. And let's see. You see where that hose is going into? That's where the dipstick goes. Pull the hose out. Put your tube straight in. There's your dipstick tube. And there is a 19mm cover on that. Let me show you. Right here. So after we're done filling it, I'm going to check the transmission fluid level while it's running. Hot, idling, park, level surface. Mark on LV fluid. I'm going to put the dipstick tube back in all the way. And then this metal cap goes right over it and screws in. 19mm on the top. Now after you do a filter, it calls for 3.5 quarts initial fill. So put 3.5 quarts in it. 13.1 quarts for the whole system. Start it up, warm it up, check your level.